We'll guide you through how to disable Find My iPhone. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on an iPhone, and so you no longer want to have Find My enabled. We're going to guide you through disabling it. Make sure you watch this full guide and don't skip ahead, otherwise you may miss an important part of this guide. So you can see currently we're on the home page of the iPhone. What you need to do is go and find the settings app. You can always drag down and search for it if you struggle to go and find it. And here we are. You need to come right to the top and you should go and see your Apple account. What you then want to do is you want to go and tap on it like so. Then what you want to do is come down the page and you want to go and find the option for Find My, and you want to go and tap there. Now at the top, you can go and see Find My iPhone and you want to tap there. And you can go and see these different options to find my network, lost location, find my iPhone. So what we can do is go and switch it off at the top here. And to go and confirm it, enter in the Apple account password. Press the tick in the bottom right after you enter your password, and it's now been disabled.